Here's another old box fan I've got. I never really intended to do much in the way of collecting box fans, but when they're $2 at a thrift store, that changes. That's, of course, what happened here. It's a first-gen Lakewood, so it's at least from the early 80s, if not the late 70s, I'm not sure. And of course, it's rebadged like many of these were. And you can tell it's probably late 70s because of the, I don't know if you call that, well, I don't know if that's mustard yellow or harvest gold, but either way, it's straight out of the 70s. I picked it up a couple of weeks ago just because, like I said, it was $2 at a thrift store. I will not be keeping it. I already have a guy who's interested in it, and he's going to get it, so. But I figured before I give it away or sell it away or whatever ends up happening, I figure I may as well do a video of it since it's here. So go ahead and start off on low speed. That is kind of a cool startup sound. That's actually kind of cool. It's been a while since I've run it. It was absolutely filthy when I first got it. It's still not great, but it's a lot better than it was. The switch sounds a little dry too. Maybe that's something I need to fix. Just like you'd expect it to on high. Let's put it on high. Here's a look at the back of it. Just a standard motor for one of these. The back grill is missing a few slats, but that's pretty hard to avoid having happen. I'm surprised the front grill is as intact as it is. There's not a single broken spoke on it anywhere, which is impressive. Do one more startup from the back, why not? Ouch. Startup sound. That's pretty fun. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this somewhere out of the way. So I'm trying to clean up, but I thought it was worth making a video, so.